All right, guys. How are you today? This is the Rouser, and welcome to the art stream. And today, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to do a quick cartoon drawing of Marilyn Monroe. I know I've drawn her before, but what the heck? I just like the way she looks. She has this look like, will you draw me again? So, yes, Marilyn, I'll draw you again. Alright, so I'm going to be using my Tombow marker today. This is a relatively inexpensive marker. If you don't have one of these, you can use sometimes you'll see me use a Crayola marker, because they have, as long as they have like a bullet tip, and maybe we'll do a caricature with this one on another video, in our next video. For this one, I just want to break out this one. I just want to use it. I just feel like I want to use it. So let's go ahead and let's get started. Alright, so we're going to start with our basic head shape here. So we're going to go with our jawline here. You see that? See how everything nice and flowy. These have very soft, what's the word I'm looking for? Let's go ahead and, very soft tips on them. So, I'm just kind of giving myself clues as to where things go. You see? So that looks pretty good right there. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead here and I'm gonna put that rest of the hair right here. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna look at the hair as a whole. I want to see where I want to land. Sometimes every picture you gotta do it different. You know what I mean? Because sometimes you gotta go from, you ever had to pick something up before? When you pick it up, let me give her some earrings, because this is my cartoon. But when you pick it up, you kind of want to, you have to grab it from a certain spot. So you'd be like, I can't pick it up from here, but if I grab it right here, I can pick it up. Well, that's kind of how I do my drawings. Oh, I just thought about that. That was a good way to explain that. I'm going to use it in a subsequent video, so if you hear me say it again, it's because the first time I said it, I thought it was pretty deep. Alright, and now I'm just going to bring my other shape over here. What is this shape? Let me see. I'm going to do like this. Let's look at it. Bring it around. We don't want too many. Now this right here is really going to be important. So you can see where we can see where we want our curve at. We want to go like way over here, and then bring it around. Oh, we did it, my friends. Okay, so you see how nice that looks? That looks nice, and it looks like we did that on purpose. Okay, now let's go ahead, guys, and draw Marilyn Monroe's eyes here. So it doesn't matter if we kind of go over the top of the hair a little bit. It doesn't matter. We'll just do it that way. Okay. Perfect eyebrows, eyelashes. They're on fleek, right? That's what the ladies say now. Okay. And then I'm gonna do the eyes real quick. So she has those eyes that kind of what's the word I'm looking for? They look like they kind of have a short front but a long dip in them. You know what I mean? Like just like I did right there. You see that? Look at that. That's awesome. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and we're going to add our separator fold over the top. Okay. then we're going to add the bottom part. So as you can see here, it kind of looks like it's doing like this. Okay, and see how I used a thinner line right there? And now we're gonna put her eyeballs there, just like that. This is the eyeball. Okay, and then since we know the eye, that's gonna represent the halfway mark, we don't want to make it too big, so something like that. Maybe we'll put a little light in there like this. And then, my friends, we'll just add some eyelashes. Just like that. And now we'll add our eyelashes like this. Oh yeah. Okay, now let's go ahead and add her nose. Remember, the nose is, we're gonna make it real nice, and so we're gonna go, we need to make it nice and round like that. Okay, and I like to use a half nose technique. So I'll draw the shape of the nose. You see how that line is thick and then it comes around. So I kind of want to focus on that middle shape first. Okay, and now we'll go ahead and we'll add the lips here. So these are, let me see here, how are we going to do this? So we're going to do some lips like this. And then I'm going to do a little bit of a smile on the lips. We don't want to go too much on there. Okay, then she has like the V shape here. Remember to make it nice and not too much. Add the lip shape to it. I'm going to give her a fuller bottom lip. And you know, we got to give Marilyn Monroe her signature mold there. And we'll add some teeth in here, like so. Oh yeah. And then we'll add some little light. So I'll just use a very thin little line here and just put some reflections in the lips. Okay. Now let's go ahead and darken in those eyebrows. Looking great. And we're going to add a little bit of shadow under the neck here. And we're going to give her some soft shoulders. Just like that. Okay? Add a little bit more of a arch on those eyebrows there. She has a higher arch. There we go. Okay, now, what is the next thing that we're going to do? Well, we're going to add a little bit of shadows to the drawing because, now let me tell you about shadows. Okay, now this is one thing you got to realize. Your face is made up. Really, there are no lines in your face. Everything that you see mostly is going to be a shadow. You know, like if you look at your face, most of your face is defined by light and dark places. It's how the eye perceives it. So it's kind of hard to look like yourself without the shadows. So shadows are a way to be able to draw yourself, but without a lot of lines. You see, this is our cartoon. And I'm just basically mimicking the shadows in her face to give you the idea of who I'm trying to draw. You see? Just like so. Okay. Now, what we're going to do now is we're going to start doing the hair. Okay. I'm going to add some little lines here. You don't want to use too many of these because her hair is blonde, so I decided to go with the gray to not make it too distracting from her hair color. So that's kind of why I did it this way. Okay. I'm just about done here, guys. I'm just going to add some darks in the hair, but notice how I'm going to use them sparingly. You see how I'm able to give the hair some depth just by strategically placing dark in certain places. Okay. I can even go ahead and do that real quick. And then we're gonna just, on the lash line, I'm gonna go a little bit thicker. Oh boy, that did it right there. What the? Don't you say that. Alright, so, and this is the finishing touches part. So at the end of your drawing, you know, it's kind of how you do it. You add some finishing touches at the end. And then we go ahead and we finish out. Let's go ahead and darken this line here just a little. And then I'm just going to put Marilyn Monroe. And then we'll sign our name right here. Okay, guys, so that's pretty much it. We did it. I want to take this time, guys, to thank you for watching my little video tutorial on how to draw Marilyn Monroe. I'm glad that, I hope yours came out pretty cool. But I'm going to be posting more videos and tutorials soon. If you'd like to see your favorite celebrity drawn and featured on our show, just go ahead and leave us a little message in the comments section, and then we'll go ahead and we'll put you on the list and we'll get you taken care of. Alright, guys, have a blessed and wonderful day, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Marilyn Monroe.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate, guys, to go ahead and give us a like. Also, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also, guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.